Hi, I'm Pam Greene, MLIS, class of 2001. I'm a senior program manager at Microsoft. One of the things that brought me to Microsoft originally was working with a team of other information professionals, because Microsoft really has valued that skill set over the years. And so I was able to come in and learn from some peers who had been doing it a lot longer and gain some skills that way. I like thinking strategically. There's always something new happening at Microsoft. There's always big ideas and lots of opportunities. I actually started out right out of the iSchool working for the Microsoft Library. So this is like our one-on-one for the week.
Yeah.
Well, there's a lot of program managers here at Microsoft, and what I specifically do is work with our internal customers here at the company and what their information needs are and their information discovery needs specifically.
Do we need them all?
Yeah.
Or we can just have a subset?
I work in taxonomy specifically and manage metadata for our intranet, so there's a lot of connections, not only from just the taxonomy class I took back at the iSchool and learning about the initial purview of taxonomy creation. I think about that every day, and understanding the theory that comes behind a lot of what we do actually really helps me in explaining to our business customers and even my peers about why we think about things the way we do and why we approach information and the way we approach it. So I use a lot of what I learned at the iSchool. One of the things that I think is really unique about the way we approach what we do coming from an iSchool background is thinking about the meaning in what we're doing and not just the query, not just executing on a task. And there's a lot of data out there, there's a lot of information, we know that's growing, but it's meaningless unless there is someone thinking about what does this mean on the other end and connecting it to the people who are using it. I like working with folks, so I get really energized when we are working together to solve a problem and to think about something in the big picture, thinking about how do these things come together, and when you start seeing those pieces fall together and you start to see people understand. When I get to talk to people about the metadata and the taxonomy in a way that's meaningful to them, that you've got all this stuff, and if you think of these three things of how you want people to find your stuff and tag it with that, then we can do this. They can look at it this way, or they can look at it this way, and you see people like, oh, I get it. That's really awesome. The iSchool is my school.